Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to sign out of your Twitch account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to sign off of your Twitch account, you just simply have to open this Twitch application at very first. Then after opening Twitch application, it will open up this home page for you. Now you just simply have to tap into this profile icon into the top left corner, and from there you will get to see so many options. Now in order to sign off of your account, you have to select this account settings option, and then you will get the option of log out into here. Tap into log out and tap log out again in order to confirm, and then your account will successfully be signed off. This way you can easily sign out of your account in Twitch. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.